One, two, three. Hello, hello, hello. Uh, Sorry for the delay. First of all, I was detected with COVID, and due to that, I lost my voice. So that's why there is a gap of around 1 week. But anyway, today we are going to start with the new training chapters from the Avaya OD manual. Today we are going to discuss about the phrases and phrase set and the prompts. All of them goes hand by hand. Okay, so I will go back to over here. So in the manual we have phrases, phrase sets, and prompts. So I'm combining these two. Actually, media is also there if you want to do, but okay. We will see if we want to cover this one also or not. Okay. Now, what exactly is the phrase and what exactly is the prompts and what exactly is the phrase sets? So, for any playback, right? So we have announce, prompt, and menus, and there is a recording also. If you want more details, there is a previous chapter on that. How to what are the playback sessions that we have, right? So let's say go if we want to go back to our call flow which we are trying to create over here. So over here, once the call start, we are asking for from user to provide the input what they want to do, right? So if you want to break this one, right? Hi, welcome to how can I assist you? Let's say if you want to do that, right? So first what we will do is we will create an announce. So since this we are not collecting any information. Now you will say why I'm breaking it. You will come to know when we encounter like no input and no mess scenario and how we can reuse the existing prompt. Okay. So what I did is I drag and dropped announce over here. We can give it like welcome. Okay. And then if you go inside, right, so there is a prompt. The prompt is where you define what to play, right? It can be from audio file, it can be text to speech, or it can be from the phrases extracted from the phrase set. Now what is phrases? It's again I will show you, right? So let's first go ahead and create new prompt file. We will create a new welcome prompt file. Okay, done. So it's nothing but a dummy prompt. This is a name, or if you can say a folder name. Yeah, it can say a folder name where the audio files related to uh, this particular audio section will be stored. Okay, clear so far? Now we can create phrases, and we can use text to speech. We can also use text variable. Just to showcase what we else we can do, I will just show like we can do if and else. So let's say if condition is true, let's say left variable like do we have okay, so let's say if language, do we have language? No, we have not created any variable. So let's say we use UUID. Okay, compare with let's say XYZ. Excuse me, XYZ. Then play this prompt. Otherwise, play this prompt. You can do that. Okay. So usually you get the condition right. If particular web service is success, play this. Otherwise, play this. Right. Excuse me. I said I have COVID. I have not recovered fully. 90% is there. Okay, anyway, so getting rid of these conditions, this is just to showcase if we want to play something like that. Now coming to phrase. Now once you drag and drop this one, right? So you can now create a phrase set, create new phrase set. Phrase set is nothing but list of all the audios which is supposed to be played in your whole application. You put it over there, so it's easy, and it also allow you to use multiple languages, and multiple phrase set get created automatically for you. So that is quite a good thing. So let's say all in one, just giving a name. Okay. Okay, so this is where the media comes into picture, which is another chapter, but let's see if we have to go. So you can specify all your pre-recorded audio, the voice talent audio is there, then you can put the browser and put the path over here. We don't have anything, we will skip that step. Okay. Now what we will do is welcome, right? So our prompt was welcome and ini. So I usually put the prefix like ini. Why? Because ini is for initial, I stand for, and it helps us to determine what exactly or which prompt for particular menu or for particular prompt and collect is using. Like say welcome ini is initial prompt, then welcome underscore ni is no input, nm for no match, something like that you can create. You create your own abbreviation, there is no restriction with that. Okay. Now expanding this thing, so this is phrase, this whole set will be the phrase set. So I can create one more, let's say ask, or let's say menu I. Okay. Similarly, I can create more over here. Add new main menu, no input, something like that. So we can create as many as you want. So this is will be the, these individuals are phrases you can see over here, and these are like list of phrases which is like phrase set inside of the phrase set. Now coming back to our call flow. Okay, so what I will do is, hi, welcome to our tutorial. How may I assist you? I will put it over here so it can play text to speech. If you want to use local audio, just point to that directory if you have not done in the previous path. So let's say if you point to any of the audio files, so that will be also available over here. Important format to note is we play in 8 kilohertz and 8 bit. This may be one of the interview question you might want to remember. So 8 kilohertz and 8 bit. So your recorded audio must be in that format. Okay. Coming from to that, so this is done. We have created our phrase, and once we come to the prompt, we select that one. So we created with the name welcome, right? So you can see over here. One more point is over here we have phrase sets. There is a configuration available, right? So usually bargain type, hot word or this one, and play order. So usually we keep it like standard. Let's say if in your project there is a requirement to have a timeout based on some properties value, right? Not a like constant one. So you can select a variable and you can specify the time, let's say the variable name. Let's say I'm just giving example, time over here, right? That you can do it. Right now we don't have any such requirement, so we will keep it like 8 second, which is standard, or you can reduce over here, let's say 4 second. Is up to you. Yeah, that's all over here with respect to prompt. So what we did, again, as a quick recap, we added a welcome prompt, okay, and then in that we created a prompt, the name as welcome. Now in that we use the phrase, this phrase we have used, okay, and also we have created a phrase set, okay. So over here we will create more audio phrases over here, and yeah, so this is it. Hopefully you like the video. If any questions or query, please put it in the doubt section. As usual, like, subscribe. Thank you.